How to fix black screen on iPhone. Are you dealing with a black screen on your iPhone where the phone is powered on but the screen is completely unresponsive or black? Don't worry. This is a common issue and can usually be fixed with a few simple troubleshooting steps. In this guide, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes to get your iPhone back to normal. First, restart your iPhone. One of the quickest and most effective solutions for fixing an unresponsive black screen is to first restart your iPhone. This won't erase any data, so it's a safe option to try first. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once you force restart your device, your problem might be fixed. Next up, charge your iPhone. A completely drained battery can sometimes cause the screen to go black, even if the phone appears to be powered on. Plug your iPhone into a charger and leave it for at least 15 to 30 minutes. After charging, try turning the phone on by pressing the side button. If the black screen issue was due to drained battery, the iPhone should power on normally. If this solution doesn't work, what you can do is contact Apple support. For that, launch your preferred browser. Now type in support.apple.com and head over to the Apple support. Now from here you can select the device in which you are having the issue and go through the process for the solution. Lastly, what you can do is check for software updates. A software bug or crash may cause your iPhone to freeze on a black screen. Updating your iPhone software can often resolve these issues. Connect your iPhone to your computer and open iTunes or Finder. If your iPhone is recognized, choose Update to install a latest iOS version without erasing your data. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update. In most cases, a black screen on an iPhone can be fixed with a first restart, charging, or updating your software. However, if the problem persists, it could indicate a more serious hardware issue that requires professional assistance. Hopefully, one of these quick fixes helped you get your iPhone back up and running. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.